Hola amigos, Joel here for BVN Realty. We are at Casa Baywatch. Sounds like a fun name because it's a fun house. Wait till you see the views of San Juan del Sur Bay. Come join me as we walk through this house. Here we walk right into our living room. We've got a giant air conditioner, a nice ceiling fan, a nice big TV, huge tiles, 24-inch by 24-inch tiles. So we've got our main seating area here. I doubt you'll ever have the air conditioning on because the prevailing breeze that's coming through this house right now is absolutely amazing. The entrance door's got a nice big 8-foot door. We've got our main dining space right here. Let's go over into the kitchen. We've got a little armoire with some tastefully done wallpaper. The kitchen is very simple, but it's got everything you need. It's got great cabinets, great fixtures, a 6-burner propane stove. We've got a double sink, and we can fit in a large regular American style, Western style refrigerator. So plenty of room to cook your meals. But the neat thing about where you're cooking your meals is where you're going to present them. This has an extraordinary view. Let's go out to the terrace and have a look at the view. Way off in the distance, we've got Playa Meanders. We can actually see the curvature of where that beach is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got a full 360-degree view of San Juan del Sur Bay. Let's just go over here a little bit. We can see all the fishing vessels. We can see the new dockside pub. We're above it all. We can see the full crest of the bay. The downtown city center is north of us. So we're actually in the southern part of San Juan del Sur, way up on the mountain. When I look down over the railing, we're probably about 100 feet up. But it's got really great, amazing space. So 2, 4, 6, 8. The deck is 10 feet wide, and it looks to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, maybe 30 feet in length. So we've got an amazing deck here. It's covered with the second level. There's a big bedroom on this level as well. So let's go check out the bedroom. What I really like about this bedroom is the way the bathroom and the wardrobe and the bed, it's actually one of the designs that I like the best for myself. So we've got this amazing wardrobe, huge closet space, his and hers. We've got a nice big counter space. Again, his and hers can be on either side, big mirror, and we've got a giant walk-in shower with hot water. We've also got a closet for the toilet, and it has a ceiling fan in there as well. And the wallpaper was continued in there as well, so the design is very similar. Let's go around the closet. This is what I love. We've got a queen bed. We've got another television. We've got an air conditioner in this room, and we've got a nice ceiling fan. Every single morning, whoever is sleeping down here is going to wake up to this amazing view. The view of San Juan del Sur Bay. Right here, as soon as your eyes open. It's amazing. So you're facing north. So you would get an amazing sunset here over the bay. And you've got a view of the Jesus statue. You've got a view of everything. It's absolutely incredible. So let's go around here as well. We've got direct access from this bedroom into the porch area. Pretty well ceiling to floor windows. Amazing, amazing views. Okay. We're going to pause the video right now, and then we're going to go check out the second level. So I'm standing outside the home once again. I just wanted to show you the main entrance into the doorway, but here's the opportunity with this place. You can have one level that you can rent, and you can rent the second level. So there's the potential here to have it as a double income home. Either have it as a full home for yourself and your family, or you could split it up into 2 apartments. And we'll show you why when we go up to the second level. So from the driveway, we've actually got another entrance way up the stairs to the second level. So I'm going to shut off the camera now, and we'll meet you back upstairs. So we're at the top of the stairs. You can see the entranceway that we just came up. We're actually going to walk out onto the main terrace because I want to show you the potential out there for an outdoor kitchen, which would be amazing. So we're walking on this cool floor, and we've got a little skylight down into the main kitchen. So at this level, doesn't look like anything super duper at this point. But if you point the camera over here, we've got water for a little bar. You could actually, along this wall, put a really nice outdoor kitchen if you wanted to have the double income potential in this property. It'd be a great idea. But look at this amazing terrace. We've got our bamboo ceiling up above. We've got our posts. We've got 2 absolutely amazing hammock spots. And what's super cool, we got a hot tub or a cold tub. So you can operate this as a cold hot tub, which is amazing in the intense heat. Or, you know, we might get a cool night here. I haven't seen too many of them, but you could turn this into a hot tub as well and just turn on the power, heat up the water. It's got an amazing view. There was a pool up here at some point, but I think their decision to make it a hot tub and a chill space is probably the right decision. Beautiful tiles, and again, we've got an amazing view. We've got the bay over here where the lighthouse is. I can just see the crest of the lighthouse, which is kind of cool. I've always wanted to go over there. There's a hiking trail that'll take you over there. But again, we're at the top where we can see the bay. We can see all the boats. We can see the Jesus statue. We can see Madeiras. And we've got a full 360-degree view of San Juan del Sur. The northern properties, all the fancy subdivisions, and the downtown core, all in one amazing view. So this patio keeps on extending into the master bedroom, so we can continue our relaxation with your nice loungers. And when you wake up every morning in your king-size bed, you've got amazing views to wake up to every day. There's a ceiling fan, there's an air conditioner, and there's another television in here as well. And of course, in this bedroom, we've got an ensuite. So if you had the outdoor kitchen, you've got a bedroom up here, you've got a bathroom up here. The only thing this unit up above doesn't have is laundry, but you could share that downstairs. So we've got another amazing ensuite. Huge, huge closets. There's 3 big closets. There's a walk-in shower. Has Has the windows in it, so for ventilation, and of course another closet for the toilet. So nice and private for the master suite. So we'll just go back out and just enjoy this view one more time. I love it. The other really cool thing that I want to point out about this property is the road to get up here is completely paved. Yeah, we need to go through a Nica neighborhood to get here, but you got to go through a Nica neighborhood anywhere in San Juan del Sur. So it's a cool Nica neighborhood. You get the flavor of the community and you ride this amazing road all the way to the top, and it's all paved. There's going to be, some future construction potential here. There's some future lot potential here. It's quite amazing. But I think I saved the best for last. We're going to go to the bottom of the house, and we're going to show you what's underneath the house. Some amazing potential down there. So join us in a few minutes down below. So we're back out into the main driveway. There's parking here probably for 2 vehicles, not monster vehicles, but you could definitely get a car and a couple of motos in this parking lot. So we've got the entrance going upstairs. We've got the main entrance on the down level, but what's behind me is a spiral staircase. And what's really interesting is at the bottom of the staircase. So we're gonna walk down and then turn the camera on and show you what the potential is below. So we're at the bottom of the house. I'm just going to get Bastian to go over to the stairs and just show you where we are. So we've gone down the spiral staircase and we're in a development potential down here. So when I say development potential, we've got the girders, the cement girders are in place, the poles are in place, there's an aluminum ceiling in place, and there's concrete walls behind us. This area, Bastian, if you want to just keep moving the camera around, the cool part about this area is it could be a yoga studio, it could be a secondary bed or a third bedroom, I would say. You could actually put a pool in here. You could make this your entertainment center. There's all kinds of potential. So this home, even though it's only got 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, there is a cool development opportunity below everything here to get some additional living space. Now, there is a little bit of tree coverage here that is blocking a little bit of the view, but from my understanding, we can clean that up quite easily. It's on. So the actual lot itself really truly goes down to the road. And from where I'm standing, it's probably a good 200 to 300 feet down to the road in a very, very steep pitch. So I apologize, we got cut off on that last little part of the video at the very basement of the house. That's a cool spot. It's got great potential. Just wanted to finish off the video and just show you one last view of Casa Baywatch. It truly is your casa with the complete Baywatch. So thanks for watching this video. We'll have more details about this listing and we hope that you come down and have a look in beautiful San Juan del Sur. Buena vida.